Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we were here we got the TIE Advanced Prototype built. We've also got the Ghost as well in this Microfighter Series 3 series going. So we've got the Snowspeeder today to build. We've also got the X-Wing, which we'll build at a later date. Just to point out for the series, I'm not going to be getting the Wookiee or the Walker set. I'm not really a fan of them. They don't look that great and don't really go, you know, I just don't like them, so I'm not going to get them. So yeah, this is the Snowspeeder, so it's a 91 piece set. Now I don't remember actually seeing this in the film. I'll be looking forward to when it comes out again. I hope you guys are in April. But yeah, let's get in this and get it built. If we can get into the box. There we go. You just know the book is going to be folded. There we go, folded book. Lego, please. Please, next time. Okay. Get all these pieces out. Let's get the Lego guy together. Where's his legs? Legs! Has he got a backpack? He has. Okay, so his backpack has some detailing on, which you'll see at the end of this video. In fact, if you give me a second, I'll show you it. A minute to put his head on, put his helmet. So yeah, even his backpack, there we go. Get in there. It's got some detailing on, which is really nice to see. A Lego minifigure that has the extra detail. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing built. There we go, all built. Oh, it fell apart already. It's broken. There we go. Let's get the little guy sat in there as well. So you get quite a few spare pieces with this one. So you've got a few green bullets, little cannon. You've actually got a spare backpack. So if you've got any other SnowTroopers, you could stick that on them maybe. One spare grip, which can be used as a lightsaber handle maybe. Little gun thing. A white single circle, an orange single circle, and the innards of a firing mechanism. So there we go, the Snowspeeder. I quite like this actually, it's quite a little cute piece of machine. It's nice that it's actually got a shooting thing like the Ghost has. It's a bit bizarre that maybe they didn't want to put some shooting ones in here. I'm not sure if it's harder to make, if it makes the set more expensive. So yeah, cool. There's the Snowspeeder. As always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for all the support, and next time we'll build the X-Wing. Bye bye!